profits of companies A and B are normal with the same mean. The variance of B's profit is 2.25 times variance of A's profit. 14th percentile of A's profit is same as B's percentile of B's profit. Calculate P. So let X be the 14th percentile of A's profit, and we are told that it's the same as the Pth percentile of B's profit. So X is also the Pth percentile of B's profit. The means are the same for both the profits. Let them be mu. So the standard deviation of B is 2.25 times the standard deviation of A. So the variance of B is 2.25 times the variance of A. So that means the standard deviation of B will be square root 2.25 times the standard deviation of A. So if standard deviation of A is sigma, then the standard deviation of B will be 1.5 sigma. So remember that the 14th percentile is the standard score corresponding to a cumulative probability of 0.14 if you want the percentile in terms of Z. However, the table only gives us the values of probabilities, cumulative probabilities, which are 0.5 or less. So the way we handle less than 0.5 probabilities are through the symmetry of the normal curve. So the 14th percentile in terms of the Z-score is a mirror image of the 86th percentile, because 100 minus 14 is equal to 86. So it's the mirror of the mirror image of the 86th percentile, which means that the Z-score for the 14th percentile is the same as in absolute value as the Z-score for the 86th percentile. So let's see what the 86th percentile is. So we will look at the cumulative probability of 0.86 and 0.86. So we do 5.8599. And that's extremely close to 0.86. The next value is pretty high. That's 0.8621. So we can safely say that 1.08 is the Z value corresponding to 0.86. So therefore, the 86th percentile is Z equals 1.08, and therefore the 14th percentile will be Z equals negative 1.08 by symmetry, as we discussed. Now, Z is X minus nu over sigma. X is the percentile in terms of the actual values, not the Z values. And we can substitute Z equals negative 1.08 over here. So this is for company A. And now company B has everything the same. Remember, X was the same, mean was the same, but the standard deviation was 1.5 times this standard deviation. So if we divide both sides by 1.5, then this expression gives us the Z value of the Pth percentile for company B. So after dividing by 1.5, this becomes negative 0.72. So that means that the Pth percentile of B's profit has Z-score equals to negative 0.72. Just as this was giving us the Z-score for the 14th percentile of A's profit, because X was the 14th percentile of A, and we are told that that X is the Pth percentile of B. So this expression gives us the Pth percentile of B in terms of Z. And once again, we don't have negative Z values in the table. So to find the cumulative probability corresponding to Z equals negative 0.72, we look at Z equals 0.72 and then subtract that probability from 1. So let's see what we get for Z equals 0.72. We get 0.7642. So that means that for Z equals negative 0.72, the Cumulative probability will be 1 minus 0.7642. Maybe we should write cumulative here. 1 minus 0.7642 equals 0.2358. So that means that z equals negative 0.72 is the 23.58th percentile. And that we also said was the pth percentile. So that means p is equal to 23.58 or 23.6 rounded to one decimal place. That was choice D.